Alright everyone, we're out here. We found some safe ice on the creek. Let's see who wants to bite this. We're out here. I thought it was a deeper spot, but it's actually not. Actually, my line looks kind of tight. See, there's a big suckers underneath the ice right there. Holy crap. Got him. It's actually a kind of, oh, that's a decent sized fish right there. Set it back now. Got one. Well, that was a nice little fish right there. I think I got that on camera. We found him though, in this little hole. That's a little shiner, tiny guy. I'll let him off with a snack to go, since they're being a little skittish today, but we have been finding a ton of these little shiners. Fish, there, come on, get in. There. Got one.
I see. Over. It still surprised me. Like it was deliberately doing that.
You know, I bet like, oh, got one. That
Nice.
feels nice. On the camera. Hold on, what is that? What fish is this? I can't even tell. Oh, fall fish. Nice. Oh no, it's a red, like a red ear creek chub. Never caught one of these before. Basically, they have a red dot right there. That's cool. Hope you guys can see that. Never caught one of these guys. They're a little darker than the regular creek chub, and they kind of look like fall fish. You can see his scales on them. That's cool. Got one. Gonna come off, or?
Oh, you got him.
What fish is he? Oh, it was a sucker and he bit it.
Oh, wow.
I didn't actually snag him. Thanks for biting.
Cool.
Alright guys, well I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be making some more ice fishing content coming soon, so make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.